A very nice hot rolled steel plant for sale, 3 million tons/year. This hot steel rolling mill plant started its operation on July 1 of 2009, and had become the third integrated steelmaker in producing HR steel sheets from its electric arc furnace in South Korea. It suspended its EAF operation, an HR business, in 2014. This plant has 2 electric furnaces, with a capacity of 160 tons, and the annual production capacity of 3 million tons. The EAF can produce steels that range from general products to high value-added products, such as AHSS, API, and high-carbon steel. We have an excellent engineering company and technical staff who can support the dismantling and packaging of this equipment and its reinstallation on your site. If you are interested, please contact us sooner than your competitors at kts007799@gmail.com.